been a long time since I laid on my back underneath the car. Probably 3 months, 2 months for sure. Anyways, the last thing I was looking at was the exhaust. So I got a V-band clamp back here, which I think I'm going to switch over to a band clamp and move the V-band up front over here. Sorry if it's too bright. I'm going to move this to the back. It won't hang as low because it's tucked up tight. I'll move the V-band clamp to the front. I'll have more clearance here than I will in the center of the car, I think. Okay, so I'll do that and then I'll get back on the camera. That's loose. I'll go to the front side. Alright, we'll pull the band clamp off the front and we'll do a switcheroo with the V-band clamp. Alright, so now we'll switch around the clamps. Give me a minute. Alright, so after some messing around with swapping the V-band and the band clamp, I realized that I had a spare band clamp, and arguably not the best way to seal an exhaust, but for the time being it works, and it gives me the best clearance. So I'm going to mount something up high and flush and tight, and give myself as much room as I can. So I'll start tightening these up a little bit. Alright, here in the back, we'll give this a blip. Pretty loud, hollow pipe. Okay, that's tight. Alright, so the exhaust is done. Nice and high. I think as high as it's gonna be. Hopefully it stays off the road. Maybe I could get that higher. We'll see. Alright, now that the exhaust is done and I think it's nice and high, or high enough, I've got the fuel pump and battery mount to do. So I have my hot wire kit here from Racetronics and the Aeromotive 340 pump, power kit box to mount the battery in the trunk. So I'm gonna flip the hatch open, make myself or pull back the carpet, make a fuel pump accessory door, and run power up to the nose. Getting closer.